Tree is the best way to save lives. So here I'm telling you, avoid cutting trees can beneficial for all. Trees are great for in our planet. We cannot live without trees. But in today's world, cutting tree is the biggest issue that's affect the whole system of life. Big question, cutting down our trees is a great numbers can lead to great consequence that cannot bring back life to normal. We should avoiding cutting trees. Starting education, it is simply the soul of society. As a passes from one generation to another, when you educate one person, you can change a life. When you educated many, you can change the world. So here I'm telling you how to save trees and protect our environment. Did you know cutting trees can cause flood, soil, global warming, and climate change? We did realize that important our Mother Earth. In no generation, everything has changed. We have responsibility to protect the planet while we many on trees for our lives. It also our responsibility to cover the globe with the plants because this is what will keep the planet habitable in the long run. Everyone is aware the plants are the major sources of oxygen for our survival. They they also supply us with things like food and wood that we need on daily. They also assist them in the maintain the earth soil quality by reducing soil and landslides, keeping in addition supply as with the safe and healthy air to breathe. They also control the amount the in pollutants in the air. In addition, a great number of trees are being cut down because of human greed, while fewer trees are being planted to replace those that have been piled. The things the man is the best recognized for true harvesting to success rather than doing replanting. We most plant more trees to replace the rate of forest loss in we are the ensure that our planet habitable and secure. We will be avoid to health and safety once replacement is complete.